So we've had 63 companies represented over the course of the last 2 days. There's been more than 400 attendees. It's been a fantastic, well-attended event.
We're certainly meeting over 20 different investment companies today. So it's a high-energy environment and everyone's interested to learn more from each other.
This is actually our first Peel Hunt conference that we've been at. We've been at a few of these. For us, it's a great way to meet new investors. So it's just a really good use of time. It's like speed dating for investors.
Wonderful to have an opportunity to meet old friends from Peel Hunt, meet some new faces as well. I think what this conference represents is Peel Hunt stepping into its role as a structural element of the London financial community, using its influence as a convener really to put all of these different stakeholders together in one place on one day. It's incredibly valuable.
We've had a very long-standing relationship with them. For us as a listed business, time spent with our investors is important. So this is a good format.
Here at this conference, we bring essentially two blocks together: real economy, capital markets. We blend them together and we try to find opportunities to take risk, to innovate, to generate profit, and ultimately to generate growth. Yesterday we had Reynolds, City Minister from the Labour government. Today we had Kemi Badenoch, leader of the Conservative Party. In the end, the global economic clouds can break, and that can make things a little easier for the economy and for markets.
I'm glad to see so many exciting British businesses here, from technology pioneers like Raspberry Pi to high street champions such as Dunelm and Domino's. And as Economic Secretary to the Treasury, it is my mission to make sure the financial services sector, including capital markets, continue to support vital economic growth across the country.
Let's hear your policies, your real-world solutions, not just the things that are going to be great for your business but bad for everybody else, but the things that are going to be good for the whole economy. We need action. It's not government or politicians who create growth. It's business. It's you.
We're seeing a lot of interest from the US in particular, but also European investors starting to look at the UK as a market too. It's really good to see that.
I think my key takeaway would be that the UK is a sensible place to do business. It's a sensible place to invest your money. There's a lot of good companies here, and international investors, domestic investors should get behind UK companies.
London being an open capital market is important for Peel Hunt. It's important because investors, particularly international investors, view the London capital market as open for business, offering great opportunities to invest in world-leading businesses that can generate shareholder returns.
I think we need to keep telling the story of London as a equity capital market, a vibrant place for successful scaling companies. Events like this really help sustain that sense of momentum around London.
It's grown on the event from last year as well, and we would hope that we can grow this again going into next year. And ultimately, in terms of it becoming an agenda-setting exercise in the UK market, companies see this as a great opportunity to actually get their own strategy out into the marketplace.